The topic is bleaching of discolored teeth. The topic here is bleaching of discolored teeth. Again, some conceptual things and a couple of, you can say, tough questions from in between the lines that have started coming up. So, this topic is extremely important now, both from your INI perspective as well as NEET perspective, right? So, we'll be discussing the important points here. We're discussing the concept and the important points. So, bleaching is basically, in very simple terms, to bleach is to whiten, right? Is to, the literal meaning of bleach is to whiten, and as far as the teeth is concerned, whitening of the teeth, right? So when you classify bleaching, then one is the in-office bleaching. That means the bleaching that we do on the dental chair,